Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart product insights and reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best toaster oven air fryer combo for small kitchens, the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, Model 31403. If you're dealing with limited counter space but still want full cooking functionality, this compact powerhouse is for you. At just 11.5 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 8.5 inches high, it's designed to fit easily into tight kitchen spaces while still offering the versatility of 4 different cooking methods: toast, bake, broil, and air fry. Let's start with the air frying capabilities. The Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp uses powerful convection air circulation to deliver crispy, golden brown results using little to no oil. Whether you're air frying French fries, crispy chicken, fish fillets, or roasted vegetables, you'll be impressed by how evenly it browns your food. One of the major selling points is its multi-functional design. You're not just buying an air fryer, you're getting a 4-in-1 combo appliance. It fits up to 4 slices of toast, a 9-inch pizza, or even a 3-pound chicken in an 8x8-inch pan. You're getting serious cooking flexibility in a compact form. Now let's talk about control and convenience. The oven uses classic knob controls, so there's no learning curve. You get 3 knobs, one for temperature, one for function, and one for the 30-minute timer, which includes an auto shutoff for peace of mind. The temperature range is solid too, from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers most recipes. Hamilton Beach includes a metal air fry basket, a bake pan, and a broil rack in the box. Everything you need to start cooking right out of it. Super simple thanks to the removable slide-out crumb tray. Construction-wise, it's built with stainless steel, which not only looks modern and sleek but also adds to its durability. The 1120-watt power output is more than enough to handle daily cooking tasks, and at just 8.3 pounds, it's easy to move if you need to shift it around your kitchen. If you're living in a dorm, apartment, or just want to save space, this unit combines key cooking features in a single affordable appliance. You'll save space, money, and time. To sum it all up: compact size, multiple cooking functions, solid power, and reliable performance. The Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is not just a convenience, it's a smart addition to any small kitchen. If you enjoyed this review and want more straight-to-the-point product insights, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next product critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.